Now let's talk about customizing your templates. So there are two sets of templates that you have to customize. One is your email templates that are used to send out your invoices and cans. And the second will be customizing your invoice and can templates itself. So from this year, as you know, they've introduced another document called the Statement of Covered Fees. So we'll be talking about the Statement of Covered Fees as well. Click on Reports at the very top, and on the left, you have the EU report templates. We've already defined all the fields for you, created the merge fields and everything within these templates. So as soon as you click on EU report templates, you will find the CAN automated, the VSL invoice notice, and the Statement of Covered Fees. Now, if you're on a premium VET student loan version, you're going to see the automated cans, which can be used as part of your overnight automation. If you're on a basic VET student loan, then you can't use the automated cans. Instead, you will be using the contracts, and you will just have to create even the invoice notice as part of the contracts template. When you have your one-on-one session, could be face-to-face or online, I would have explained to you the difference between these two things. But for now, I'm just going to go with the automated CAN and the invoice notice. To customize these templates, it's very simple. You just have to click on the link. It'll download a Word doc, open it up. So this document is already predefined with all the different fields that are required, including the CHESA numbers, the student number, the address, all the information that's required on a CAN. Now, all you have to do is check the information to students, because you could have your own terms and conditions. So by default, the notice obviously, is sent 28 days after the census date. But if the student needs to correct any information, they have to contact you within 14 days. That's the default. But if you have your own policies and procedures in place, feel free to change it, So we've just gone by what we've got from the government, but you can change it according to your own policies and procedures. In terms of picking up the census dates and unit of study information, the loan fee and everything, you've already put in the merge fields for you. So it's pretty straightforward. You can brand it, you can change the color, the font styles and everything. You can also put in your own logo, header and footer as required. You don't need to have the merge fields for your organization details. Instead, you can just type it in and hard code it, because that's not going to change for every student. All right. Same with the invoice. The invoice works very similarly, and the Statement of Covered Fees. Now, the Statement of Covered Fees is a document that is sent only once during the enrollment of that student. So the first welcome letter or like a confirmation of enrollment that you send out to the student can be attached to the same Statement of Covered Fees. So you can combine those documents together and send it out. And that's the reason this is not part of the automation. Because with the CAN and the VET student loan, you have to send it out for every census date. So if the student is enrolled into 4 different units of study with 4 different census dates, so obviously they're going to get 4 invoice notices and 4 CANs, right? So the Statement of Covered Fees doesn't work like that. It's only once for the entire enrollment. So you just have to, create that template. We'll talk more in detail when we actually go to the course on how you can send the Statement of Covered Fees. All right, now, once you've customized your templates, you've saved it onto your computer, all you have to do is come back into the EU report templates, go to the Action tab, and upload the template. When you're uploading any kind of a template, always remember to upload it against the same template type. So if you have downloaded a contracts template, when you upload back the template, it has to be against the contracts type. If it's an automated CAN, then it's against an automated CAN.